Good evening, dear friends. Good evening, fellow master speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Sayas, and today I'm playing the role of Sergeant at Arms. For today, today's very very good and excellent meeting of me for you, Master Speakers Club, and it is my responsibility to say the rules of the meeting for everyone to be understood. Now, rule number 1, kindly keep yourself mute when you are not speaking. Number 2, rule number 2, kindly keep your camera on, that shows your attentiveness and respect towards other master speakers in the meeting. Rule number 3, ever speaking that speaking that words that hurt other master speakers such as politics and others. Do you know our president of our club is very handsome boy, very intelligent, and the founder of Me For You Club, and the founder president of this club. He is very hardworking and helps other master speaker to be explain her role and explain all the roles and help all the master speaker in by his role and send all the script of the role like filler master, listening master, the grammar master, etc. And also he helped me in every roles that I should play. I have to play, which I do not understand. He also helped me and help me in welcoming today's president of this club, Master Speaker Mutras. Over to you, Master Speaker Mutras.
Thank you very much for such a meritorious introduction, Master Speaker Sairaj Mohanty. Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. My name is Muturaj, and today I am the presiding officer for this wonderful meeting with themed the Children's Day. Dear friends, before you Master Speakers Club's goal and aim is to help people to improve their public speaking skills and leadership skills. Public speaking is one of top 6 to 7 skills which are required to be successful in this 2020 plus. And on the topic, on this theme, we have a special speech also today. Besides, there are some topics which are made on the basis of theme. And to attain the speeches of extempore speeches, most of the speakers are already and to be successful in their speeches. And I have a team to continue this in the next process. As the presiding officer, I have to speak on the topic that is on the theme. As I mentioned just now, there are the topics. Topics master is ready with the topics which is based on the theme. Besides, we have a speaker also who is ready to speak on the theme. And hence, I'd like to take a small cut break to speak on the theme and to introduce a next speaker, a next person who is called as Master of Ceremony. Dear friends, Master of Ceremony is a role which is so crucial role in this Master Speakers Club. His role is to start the meeting from zero to end. He has to work like this director of this film. And today's Master of Ceremony is a master speaker who has been a master speaker for more than a year, and he has been a VPE for this term. And the first and the foremost thing that I liked in his first speech was the kind of voice that he has. And one of my friends compared his voice to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Help me in welcoming the Amitabh Bachchan of our club, Master Speaker Sohan Kalburgi.
Thank you, Master Speaker Muturaj sir. Thank you for the generous introduction, sir. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Sohan Kalburgi, playing the role of MOC for today's meeting. As the MOC, I'm going to talk about the theme of the today's meeting, that is Children's Day. So as you all know that Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th. This is a tribute to our first Prime Minister of India, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, also called as Chacha Nehru. He believed that children were a nation's real strength and the foundation of the nation. So we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. I love Children's Day because when I used to go to school, they had an event where we used to have a puja for Jawaharlal Nehru, and we teachers all used to have a chart sections where we need to give money and we need to eat the snacks, and I used to enjoy the day whole day because we had so much time to spend with our friends, and we can also eat chats in the school itself. So without any further ado, let's go to the meeting. So the meeting is divided into three sections. First is the prepared speech, next is the table topic sections, and the feedback section. The feedback section is held by a person who has helped a lot to improve my speaking skills. So please help me in welcoming Muthurat sir. Master Muthurat sir.
Thank you very much, Master of Ceremony. Good evening once again, Master Speakers and guests. Here I'm back as the meeting evaluator. Meeting evaluator's role is again one of the crucial roles in the Master Speakers Club. As you all know, feedback is the breakfast for the champions. Feedback is the breakfast for the champions. So which is really very important. And without feedback, we cannot progress in our life. Anyone who gives feedback is definitely always helping us to improve in our life. Feedback is one such thing. Everyone gives feedback. It is their opinion. They share their opinion. It is not that it is the perfect thing to be. Now, if I am giving my feedback, which means this is my opinion for your speech. It is like that. So in this club, we take feedback, which is really very helpful, which is a constructive feedback. And that really helps the members to learn more and come again and perform. All alone, I cannot do this. I have a team which is going to help me to make this meeting as a wonderful meeting, and to this meeting, this team will help me to attain success in terms of improving our public speaking skills. And today's first member of my team is a timing master. A timing master is an associate vice president education, who she is very young in age but very old in knowledge. She is called as sister of all other master speakers. She is also famous as sister master speaker Palak is also famous as Palak sister. Help me in welcoming today's master speaker, who is going to help us as a time master, Master Speaker Palak.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, Master Speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Palak, and I am playing the role of timing master for today's meeting. It is my responsibility to time all the roles of the meeting and give my feedback. For prepared speech, you will have 4 to 6 minutes. Green card for 4 minutes. Yellow card for 5 minutes. And red card for 6 minutes. For table topics, you will have 1 to 2 minutes. Green card for 1 minute. Yellow card for 1 minute 30 seconds. And red card for 2 minutes. For evaluation, you will have 2 to 3 minutes. Green card for 2 minutes. Yellow card for 2 minutes 30 seconds. And red card for 3 minutes. The joke master and puzzle master will have 2 minutes. Thank you. I hope you will follow the time. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Master Speaker Palak. Time is more important than money. If you have time, you can earn money. But if you have money, you can't earn or gain more time. So let's focus on that and improve upon the time. And next team member, my next team player is an engineering student by his education, and he has been a master speaker for about a month or two right now. He has been successful in all the roles that he plays, and unlearn, and relearn is one of his favorite things that I can say. Today, he is going to help us in controlling or reducing our filler words. Help me in welcoming today's filler master speaker, Vikram.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for that introduction. Good evening, all. My name is Master Speaker Vikram, and today I'm the filler master for this topic, for this meeting. So I'll be identifying all the filler words such as like and many other words like I just did. So these are the filler words which I'll be recognizing and what you should improve to reduce the filler words. Thank you, sir.
That's great. Thank you very much. Filler words are those words which, if they are more in our speech, we sound very less confident. We sound less confident. And now we have our next role player who is going to be the grammar master in this meeting. And her role is to, she herself will tell that. We have a grammar master who has come all the way from 400 kilometers from Hubli. Help me in welcoming today's grammar master guest, Anu.
Thank you, Mr. Mutturaj, for that beautiful introduction. Good evening, fellow masters and guests. Today, I will be your grammar master. My name is Ananti, and I would like to explain about my role today. I will be carefully listening to all of your speeches and noting down the good and not so good usage of the language. As Mr. Mutturaj said, feedback is constructive. So please use my feedback in a constructive manner. Today's word of the day is attain, which means achieving something which is difficult to be achieved, and we achieve that means attain. Let me give a small example. I am very bad at mathematics. So getting good marks in mathematics was my achievement. So to construct the sentence, I will say, I attained 70% in mathematics. So let's hope all of us use the word of the day in the language. As my role, I will be noting down the people who uses this word in their speech. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, guest Anu. And she's going to be the grammar master. She's going to note down the good usages and not so good usages of English language used by all these speakers in the meeting. Well, so we have another one role right now. The role is of listening carefully. As you all know, Mr. Dalai Lama, the very famous personality, says, if you speak, you only will understand or will know, what you already know. If you listen, you will also get to learn what you don't know. And here we have a master speaker who has been listening to us very carefully so far and will be listening to us henceforth till the end of meeting. And help me in welcoming today's listening master, and who has been a master speaker since July and has been helping most of us to get roles better and time to time. Help me in welcoming today's listening master, master speaker, Archana Rathod.
Thank you, sir. Greetings, fellow master speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Archana Rathod. I am playing the role of listener. It is my responsibility to listen to all the speakers carefully and note down some important points, dates of some events, or any other important points used by any master speakers during the meeting. I request all the members to listen to the entire meeting very carefully so that you can answer my question quickly. So over to you, the meeting evaluator.
All right, this is my team, and I'll come back quickly and give my report whenever I'll be called on. I request master speaker, guest Anu, to turn on camera so that we can have a small quick picture of the meeting evaluators team. Okay, she said she will do it later. She did it. All right, give a smile. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is my team. Thank you very much. I'd like to hand over the podium back to the ever enthusiastic master speaker Sohan Kalburgi.
Thank you, Mutraj. Thank you, meeting evaluator and the team. Without any further delay, let's go to the first segment of the meeting, that is prepared speech, where members will deliver their speech according to objectives. So the first speaker is a person who loves to listen music and loves to travel and who loves to spend time with her family. So please help me welcoming guest Suprita. Guest Suprita. Hello, guest Suprita.
She's there, she has to unmute.
Suprita, please unmute.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
I always forget to unmute. Hello, everyone. My name is Suprita, and I'm staying in Dharwad. Dharwad is in Karnataka, and today I'll be speaking on the topic Children's Day. So, shall I begin?
Yes, please go ahead. Your time is already started.
Okay. Children's Day is celebrated in India on 14th November. It is a tribute to our former president, first prime minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So on 20th November, Children's Day is celebrated worldwide. It was being started by UN, and most of us know that in India, in every educational institution and in colleges, if not in colleges, but it is mandatory in many schools that we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. So when we think of children, the first thing comes to my mind is innocence and simplicity of children. And I would like to say, I would like to start this speech by telling a joke. It is a small joke which I read in a magazine. If a preschool girl goes to her school on the first day, and all the kids are crying, mummy, mummy, because it is their first day in their preschool. That particular girl comes back home telling her granny that everyone is shouting mummy and mummy, but I knew that where was my mom. So this is the innocence of children, where we observe, where we interact with them, and to talk about children, there are many other things which goes on in society, not just in our country but in many other countries as well. That one particular thing what we have observed is that a child labor. A child is not supposed to work in any in any institution or any hardcore place below 14 years. So every child has a right to get education till the age of 14 or 16. One of the best, I would like to tell two facts about kids. A 3-year-old is very naughty. A child at the age of 3 years old are very naughty, and they are very smart, and they are so loud that if you are sitting with a 3-year-old, he can shout as maximum as more than 200 adults. So another funny fact is that for children, TV becomes a painkiller. In sense, if you have observed in many restaurant or kids around us, they don't eat their food without their mobile time, their mobile screening. So it acts as a distraction to them, as well as it is also a painkiller to them. So they don't focus more on food, so that they can eat what is given to them. And another thing is that recently recently last week, a person from Karnataka was given Padma Shri because he started primary education to children, and with his own income, and he was a orange fruit vendor. Excuse me, sir. Should I continue?
Yes, continue until you see the red card, then you have to neatly wind up.
Okay, okay. The best thing about children is when we talk to them, when we listen to them, and every year on November 14, the government of India will put some effort for the nourishment of children in India, especially the underprivileged children. Sir, I can conclude my speech.
Okay, fantastic.
Thank you all.